What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Lumsden Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden, and I owe you guys an apology. I understand this video is a day late, and I apologize for that. Lots of life changes coming at me, and coming pretty quick. I'll probably go over that stuff on a later video, but man, we better get started here. Okay, so like I said, I have lots of life changes coming at me real quick, but I'm gonna go over that stuff in a different video. That is not gonna be this video. I do have other obligations as well, kind of revolving around those things. So this video is gonna be pretty quick and dirty. I gotta start getting something done. So today's goal is to get the door off. We have a ginormous hole here in the door. I'm gonna see if I can get that patched up enough to where I don't have to replace the whole door yet. And then of course, try to get some rear quarter panel straightened out, at least on this side, and get this thing mounted back up. I did get it pulled out. This thing was tucked away under there and kind of jammed, so I did get it pulled out to where a guy could actually get to it and work on it. But the left side of the car is going to be my goal for this video. If I magically start going super crazy, there's not a whole lot of body damage, but there's some wrinkles going on in here. Maybe we'll see if we can get that stuff taken care of as well. So with that being said, you know, I'm just going to have at it again. It's bolt, 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 bolt. And then I have bolt, bolt, bolt. So this will come off nice and easy. On the inside of the door, this is my setup. I have a bolt holding this on. So what I'll do is I'll end up taking this bolt off. There's another bolt holding on the back mount there by the back tire. So same thing there. So that should be fairly easy. If all goes really well, once the door's off, I might actually be able to get in here and straighten this fender out, this rear quarter panel out, without taking it off. We'll see. But if not, gonna have to undo our straps. There are 4 of those back here now. Undo our straps. One, ooh, that pop rivet's already broke. So, and then a couple bolts. So, yeah, I better get to work. So a lot of things that I normally use to shoot content has broken, so we're gonna make a nice I got this clamp and a tripod. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so beat it flat, looks pretty good, but you can see rip, big long rip there. So I might actually shorten this a little bit, but I have a patch. Luckily I had some stuff that was left over from making the body, so that's all this is. So I'm probably going to put a patch here. a couple rivets, probably just 6 or 8, just to try to hold that together, try to keep it from getting worse, or if somebody makes contact with it, keep it from just pushing in and making a bigger hole. So the patch will go on the inside. I guess I can go like this. It'll go like this. Yes, and like so. And then we will consider the door patch there. The back side here seemed to go all right, but looking at my rocker panel down on the bottom, I think I want to add one more pop rivet right there. It's pulling away from itself over here, so one more pop rivet, maybe 2. I might add another one on the front side as well up here. So but not perfect. There's a crease in here. I could probably get that completely out if I were to pull the quarter panel off, but not really a necessity. I think it's going to work just fine. Again, you know, it's beat to fit, paint to match around here. I am not a bodywork guy, but we do the best that we can with what we got. So put you guys back on time lapse. I'm going to get this patch mounted on the door. Alright, so not the most amazing patch job in the world, but it's definitely going to work. You can see it from the outside. That'll do just fine until it gets to a point where it can't be used anymore. Because that never happens, right? Anyways, I have this weird feeling I might come back and trim down this body brace right here just a little bit, just to get the backside to suck in just a little bit more than what it was. That's still yet to be seen. I don't know if I like how much it's out. I might want to bring it in just a little, so I don't know. Jury's still out on that, but we will see. As far as body work on this side, that's pretty much all it's going to be, other than maybe adding a couple more pop rivets on the rocker panel like I said, but not a whole lot to it. I am looking forward to the Dirt Track Championship Rattlesnake Raceway October 8th and 9th, so we have a little bit of time to get ready. Believe it or not, even though it seems like I have plenty of time to actually get ready, I don't have a whole lot of time to dedicate to the car to get ready. So we'll be kind of scrambling to get things done. Now, last video we did go over the right front shock and getting shocks rebuilt. Did do that, did get shocks sent off, and they will actually be here later on this week. So right front shocks, not a problem, we got it. I did do something else kind of cool. I will tease you guys with it now, but it has to do with, you guys may have seen different versions of hood pin protectors here. I did do something kind of cool, so when that time comes up, I'm teasing you with it now, so you'll stay tuned. Watch every video until I actually, you know, reveal what I did, I guess. But it's what I gotta do, you know. Anyways, still have lots of little things to do to the car to finish getting ready. I'm gonna go ahead and remount the door and stuff on this side, probably off camera, because there's not a whole lot of anything going on under there, right? And of course, last race I made changes that I didn't like, so I have to undo those changes still. And we are going to, fingers crossed, originally when I purchased the Porta Power stuff, I was going to, I knew I had enough time to try to address my bent 4-bar bracket back there, but that the amount of time that I had may have changed. So gonna do our best here. That is still in the plans, still the goal. Just gonna have to push it to get that part done. So anyways, I know it wasn't much of a video, but I really want to thank all you guys for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Sorry, life came at me pretty fast here the last couple weeks. Went on vacation, came back, had to travel for work for a week, and came back, had to catch up, and lots of other stuff that I'll bring you guys in the loop in soon. I promise I'll bring you in the loop soon. But I definitely want to thank you guys, all you guys that watch and that are subscribed and like all the videos and stuff. You know, mostly I do this YouTube channel for me. It's kind of a cool diary to look back on, but I also do it for you guys, and I greatly appreciate all of your guys' support. So with that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns, down below. Hit up the Lumsden Motorsports Facebook page. Like I said, we're getting ready for the Dirt Track Championship in Fallon, Nevada, October 8th and 9th. And hopefully that's going to be a super exciting show. And then after that, the goal is to go to the Duel in the Desert in Las Vegas. So fingers crossed, everything, all the stars align, and we can make all that stuff happen. So again, thank you so much. Since my brother's not here, keep the dirty side down, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.